Bokeh in these photos were made using Photoshop. First, select your object using the Object Selection tool. Press the Ctrl Command J to duplicate the object. Then go to Select, Modify, Expand and expand selecting for 5 pixels. Shift plus F5 to fill the background. Now filter, Blur Gallery, Fill Blur for the far background, or tilt Shift for the receding background. For example, in this photo all background is equally. Use Fill Blur. Change blur here, then light bokeh and bokeh color here. You have super easy blur. But now this image. The blur near the object should not be strong, but the blur should be stronger at a distance. Use tilt shift and move continuous lines where you don't want blur. In this image, road, because it's close. Dotted lines for intermediate blur, from road to cars, and everything else for blur. Change settings here for the best look of the photo. To wrap up, you can get a nice bokeh even on photos taken on phone. Here are my other videos on Photoshop editing. Happy shooting!